Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Fitbit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the application. And the app, you should see the today page. Now tap on the device icon in the top left corner. And here you should see your Versa 3 on the list of connected to Fitbit. Tap on it to select it, then scroll down through this page, find the option called remove this Versa 3, tap on it, tap on remove this Versa 3 again, and the watch will disappear from the list of devices. Now we can close the Fitbit application, open the settings on our iPhone. Let's tap on the settings icon, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And in Bluetooth you will see the list of my devices, and on it there should be Versa 3. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device to remove it. And once you remove it, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.